And today I want to show you how to make a Ballotine. To start by removing that wishbone here, which you put your knife here on each side of the wishbone and put your finger here in the back to remove this triangle here. And then after that, I cut the skin of the back. And here there is not much. You know, there is the articulation here and the articulation here. So I have to cut the articulation here.
Follow the bone. Let your knife follow the bone.
And now I grab it this way too, and you pull out until you see the little oyster here. And the same thing on the other side.
Now John is joined.
I'm amazed. I can't even cut a sandwich that quickly.
Now you have the joint of the hip. I cut here. You crack it open. You cut through the sinew, and you pull out. Same thing on the other side. You cut through the sinew, and you pull it out. So that should take you, about a minute to bone out your chicken. So here, I have the two fillets of the breast that I'm removing here. And so now, as you can see, I have the whole carcass. Now I have to remove the bone of the leg here. So you cut around and you use your knife, again, scraping. I'm scraping with the knife around here.
I could watch this for days.
Thank you. And now I go around, I got to go around the knee. I go around the knee like this. And then I'm on the other side. I can scrape again. Okay. You could cut it here, but you don't want to cut it because the skin will shrink too much. So I break it. I break it like this to remove that bone here. Now, the bone of the breast, you hold the bone underneath, and again, you have to cut all around underneath the articulation. I push down and remove the bone here. That's it. So this is all bone out. And then you put this back where there is no meat. Now the stuffing. I have half a pound of Italian sausage. I have a cup of bread, diced. And here you can see I have salt, pepper. I have a couple of Parmesan cheese. I have garlic. I have celery. I have shallot. I have scallion. And I have mushroom. A lot of it from vegetable. Then I'll put about 2-3 tablespoons of wine. And that's it. So here, this is my stuffing. So this is it, basically. So here you fold the skin in the back. You bring it back here to its original shape. And now I have to tie it up. Here. Bring it back. All right. I put that underneath here, there, again, and we're ready to go. That's it. So now I have my Ballotine. Salt, pepper. Okay, and then I'm ready to brown it. So you want to brown this around 2-3 minutes on each side to have that, and then you go into a 425 degree 1 hour. This one is going to go in the oven, and this one here is the one which came out of the oven. So I took the string out.
Beautiful. It's so beautiful, Jacques.
Here I have the dripping here, and like half a cup of brown stock. I mean, brown gravy. So now, all you're ready to serve that. And a little bit of a beautiful brown gravy here, huh?
Oh, so gorgeous, Jacques.